Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by planning one focused page for each chemistry topic you study. Use 1-inch margins and 16 to 9 line spacing to keep text readable. Divide the page into 6 clear headings: definition, formula, mechanism, conditions, exceptions, and example. Under each heading, write one concise sentence that captures the core point. Highlight 5 keywords per heading using bold or underline for quick scanning. This structure saves time and keeps your notes consistent across topics. When condensing content, turn long paragraphs into 3 to 5 bullet sentences under each heading. Keep each sentence focused and use numbers or short fragments where helpful. Represent reactions with formulas, arrows, and one example reaction per mechanism to show process flow. Replace full terms with standard abbreviations like conc, sat, rxn, and delta H to save space. Include units and values directly. For example, Kp equals 2.5 or delta H equals 45 kJ mol. This makes notes compact and exam-ready. Review your condensed page within 24 hours and then again after 7 days for better retention. Create 5 quick self-test questions on the page and answer them without looking at details. Mark any mistakes and correct the notes immediately to prevent repeating errors. Update the page when you encounter a new example or exception and add one clear example if needed. Keep older pages in a folder and revisit them weekly to ensure long-term mastery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.